Hi, Miss Holly's class. How is everyone today? Today is the last day of school. Are you excited or not excited? I'm like a little bit excited, but I'm a little bit not excited because I'm going to miss you. I'm going to miss not getting to talk to you and getting to see you on Zoom. But we can still keep in touch this summer. You can call Miss Holly or send me pictures. Miss Holly will love that. I love each and every one of you so much. So go ahead and give Miss Holly her hug. One last hug. Do it a really tight hug. Big squeeze. Oh, that felt good. Thank you so much. Well, let's start our day. How do we usually start? We might as well just keep going like we've been doing. So what do? The pledge. Last day for Miss Holly to hold the flag. Okay, so we put our hand on her knee, right? No, so silly. Hand on your heart. Right hand on your heart. Ready? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Great job, Miss Holly's class. Gonna roll it up and have to put it up for the summer. Okay, so I know y'all know this. It's the month is May. Starts with the letter M. And so I want everyone to say today is Tuesday, last day of school. It's Tuesday, May the 12th. 12th. So let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That was pretty easy for you. You're such good counters. You're so good. Okay. So yesterday we did the days of the week. So today, let's do the months of the year. One last time. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December. Those are the months of the year. One more time. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December. Those are the months of the year. Good job, Miss Holly's class. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started with our crafts today. So, the first one, you should have a piece of paper that looks like this. Oh my goodness, what could this be? It just has a bunch of lines on it. I wonder what we're going to make. Well, you should have some circles, some red circles. So what we're going to do, we're going to get our scissors and we're going to cut these circles out on the black line. So this is the big circle. Just take your time. And like I said, if I get done before you do, just hit pause on the video and until you get them all cut out. So there's the big one. And I know that you're holding your scissors the right way. And you're just doing an awesome job on cutting. You are such good cutters. Miss Holly's so proud of you. Always remember how proud I am. So see, I'm just turning my paper. I'm keeping my scissors still, and I'm just turning my paper. That's an easy way to cut. Okay. One more. Just about got it. There we go. Okay, so what we're going to do on your big circle, I want you to find your big one first. And what I want you to do is I want you to fold it in half and just make a line like that. Just press it down with your finger. We're going to fold it in half. Okay. And then we're going to rub glue on the back of it. So we're just going to rub some glue on there, only on one side. Only do it on one side. So rub, rub, rub. Okay. And then look right here. See where these little lines are? 3 on this side and 3 on this side? You're just going to put that right. It just sits right in there perfectly. Look there. Just like that. So does anybody know what we're making yet? Okay, let's see. Now we're going to take our smaller circles, fold them in half. So I want you to take one and then the other one, fold it in half. Just push it down really hard. Same thing with this. I want you just to rub some glue on one side of this one. Let's see, how does Holly do this? Yeah, and one side of this one, okay? And these are gonna go right up here, like this. Okay. Does anybody know what we're making yet? Okay, another circle. Fold it in half. Press down with your finger. Same thing. Press down with your finger. All right. Okay, we're going to put glue on the back of these. Rub some glue on there. Rub some glue on there. And we are going to stick these on over here on this line. Have you figured out what we made yet? What is it that has pinchers? When you go to the beach that has pinchers, and sometimes at night when it gets dark, you'll take your flashlight and like a net, and those are called sand crabs. Well, this one is a big crab, but it's kind of the same thing, it's just bigger. So we're gonna add, if you have some googly eyes, we'll add some eyes. If not, you can just draw some. So we're going to put those on here. Oh, I think this is a friendly crab. Okay, what do you think? Is that not too cute? Look at these pinchers. Don't pinch, Miss Holly. I love it. Good job, Miss Holly's class. We just made all kind of cute crafts that you see. So you just have to add this one to the ones that you've already made. Okay, I'm gonna set this one to the side, and then I have something kind of different we're gonna do. And with this, you just need a piece of foil. This is something that your mom, you would have in the kitchen. It's really shiny, makes noises. And what I did is I just took a piece of construction paper and I just folded it in half, and I'm just gonna lay it in the middle. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to fold the paper over. Kind of like you're wrapping a present. Have y'all ever helped your mom or your dad wrap a present? Just fold the edges down like this. Okay. And you can just watch Miss Holly do this one, and then you can go and get all this stuff for this one and just do it later. You can just do it anytime. This is just kind of just a fun little something. So, what we're going to do is I'm going to take a Q-tip. You probably have some of these at your house. We're going to paint with this. We've done this. We've painted with Q-tips at school before, just a few times. And then you're going to want some blue paint because we're going to make the ocean. We're going to make some waves. So, all I want you to do is just put some on there, and we can add more if we need it. Oops. Oh, I made a mess. Miss Holly's got to clean that up later. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to start swirling. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Just swirl it all around. I am making some waves. Ooh, look. I think you could even write with this. I think I could write, look at this, an H. You could practice your letters if you wanted to. But what we're doing, we're making water, the pretty blue water. When you go to the beach and you look out there, the water's so pretty. And so you can make any design you want to with this Q-tip on the foil. Okay, I think that looks good. There's my waves. Set this over here to the side. Well, Miss Holly, then what you're going to do is you're going to need to let this dry. And when it dries, it's going to look like this one. Miss Holly already made one. And look, it's already dry. So then what I'm going to do is I have some little fish. And you could, I just have some little fish that Ashley cut out for me. But you could even use, I saw someone that used, if you have some goldfish at your house that you eat, you could even stick them on here for like that. So I'm just going to take my glue bottle and I'm just going to do a couple of little dots. Oh, it's not coming out. That happens sometimes at school, doesn't it? Let's see if I can get it to come out. There it goes. Just a couple little dots, and then I can just stick my fish on. Look how cute. I think I have it the right way. So I'm just going to do little dots on here. I have some different color fish. This fish is going to swim this way. It's not swimming the same way as the other fish. And I have one more fish. So how cute is that? Little fish in the sea. So that's just another little craft you can do. Isn't that fun? Just by taking tin foil and paint and a Q-tip and just mixing it all up and just have to let it dry. Well, I hope you enjoyed learning about all of the everything in the ocean or things that we see at the beach. We made some great animals. I had a lot of fun doing this. So the last thing that we're going to do is I have a story. And it's not a story about the beach or the ocean. Since today is our last day, I know how kind you are. So I have this book and it says, try a little kindness. And so this summer, I want you to try a little kindness. Maybe there's some things in here in the book that you might think about and think, oh, I can do that. I can do that because Miss Holly knows you have a kind heart. So let's read this story about try a little kindness. Oh, look at those two turtles. Try a little kindness. I smile to greet the morning, a hug to greet each day. That's what we would do. A thank you and yes, please are things that you should say. Our animal friends will show you exactly how it's done. Make it a daily habit. Kindness can be fun. So, wake up with a smile. It says rise and shine. Breakfast time. Be the last in line. Maybe let someone go first. That would be a kind thing to do. Invite someone over to play with you. You can play a game outside. Red Rover, Red Rover. Play cards, go fish. What's for dessert? Have a little tea party. share your toy. Oh, that's a hard one. But sharing your toy is so kind. You'll feel so special inside. Try some kindness every day. A smile, a joke, or something else. Come on, don't you want to play? Tell someone they're special. You are special. It's what inside that counts. Miss Holly thinks you are special. Be a great ally. All this work is making me hungry. Maybe write a poem for someone. That would be nice. Praise someone's work. Oh, that is remarkable. I just love that. Hold the door for a friend. That would be so polite. And that would show such kindness. Give someone your seat. If all the seats are full and you see someone, you can say, oh, please sit here. Pick up the trash. That's always good. Visit someone who is lonely. I know you think we did it, but our job is not quite done. We need to keep on going. Being kind is so much fun. Help someone without being asked. It says, may I help you with those? Do you need help with that? Oh, you need to unwind. Read to your friends. Write a thank you note. Do something unexpected. Like maybe help. Oh, look, she's helping clean. Take a selfie with your friends. We know how to do that. When evening has come and it's time to go to bed, you brush your teeth and wash your feet and make sure your fish is fed. Think of new good deeds to do and some nice things to say. Then you'll know why kindness counts and look forward to each day. The end. Wasn't that a sweet book? So that it's saying when you go to bed, you can even think about, oh my goodness, when I wake up in the morning, what is something that I can do that is kind, that would make someone happy? I know you can do it because you make Miss Holly happy every day. So today is our last day, and I just want to tell you how much I love you and how much fun I have had. And I will see you next year. You're going to be in the 4-year-old classes. Some of you will have Miss Sarah. Some of you will have Miss Nicole or go to Miss Melanie's class. But I will still be in my classroom. So when you come into school and you walk by my room, you can stop and say, good morning, Miss Holly. Give me a hug. And I'll still get to see you at recess. You'll always be in my heart. Miss Holly loves you so much. Bye-bye.